What's going on, guys? We're back here in Corpus today. Got to fish some of the usual hot spots. Came out here with my dad. Got out here early. It's a nice calm morning, so we're gonna go throw some top waters and throw some plastics and see if we can get on some trout and reds. We'll catch up with y'all in a while. I don't know. Oh, that's a nice trout, I think. Yeah, it's a good trout. Yeah, if you can. What do you think, about 20? Yeah, I forgot about that. Oh, you see that? Shit, I'm gonna be done. Totally redeemed myself. Another 20 plus. Jumped out of the water. Another keeper. Nah, it's probably 20. Bastard. $19. Another keeper. You just caught that one. I see you just caught that one. After it. I said it was after it. Missed it. Didn't miss it that time. Little one though. Or smaller than what I'm used to catching, you know. Ah, damn. Well, the trebles will get you. Good thing it didn't stay stuck. I had the pliers and I was taking them off and he jumped and that hook got right in the middle of my finger there. I'm lucky it didn't. He would have been flopping around on me. Nope. Ugh. He's still on it. Oh, Damn. I hope so. He swept at it 4 times. Is it a big one? Is it a red? Shit, he might be over. What is he? 21. God damn. God damn. Woo! Whatever.
I left it there, let it sit.
That's a big bastard.
Groove it, bumped it a little bit, let it sit. Come back and got it.
23. Oh, he's right under.
Shit.
Keep him. He looks bigger though.
He is big.
Hold him up a little more. All right. Alright guys, as y'all can see, we did pretty good. We got our limited trout, me and my dad. We each limited out on top waters. The bone spook, 1-knocker spook. That's all we used pretty much all day, and we both caught our limit. No reds today, but the trout were pretty big today. They were all between 20 and 23. We caught one that was 17 and one right under 17, and maybe a couple of dinks after that, but everything was pretty quality today. Had a good time out there. The weather was pretty nice today. It was calm this morning, and then the wind shifted and it picked up a little bit, and then the bite sort of slowed down. So we're gonna head out. It's about lunchtime right now. I'm gonna go grab some lunch and clean these fish, and hopefully we'll see y'all in the next video. If y'all do like this video, make sure y'all like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.